bias. I'm supposed not to be affected by feelings when I write my stories. And my secret is separately. First, I've been a secret fan of Paula. And then later on of Kim, when I saw Secretary and all that. And now both of you. So I don't know, should I recuse myself from writing this story because I should not be affected by my feelings? I love you both.
First of all, baka pwede niyong ipamana sa new love niyo yung mga mana. Ayun, mahal na talaga. I'm kidding.
What we are feeling at this very moment, syempre we're very thankful para makarinig ng mga ganyang stories that yun nga po ng asawa niyo po 10 years ago. So parang, and kami ni Pao made you happy kahit paano, naibsan yung kalungkutan. Actually, yun talaga yung purpose namin talaga. Gusto talaga namin magpasaya ng maraming tao. And isa na po kayo doon. And thank you for saying that to us dahil it really means a lot. Kasi pag nakakita kami ng mga ganyan or nakakarinig kami ng stories, medyo lagi siya, parang OA siya, lagi siya sinasabi, oh, parang nakakatuwa naman. Pero sobra po talagang impact sa amin yung nakakadagdag po ng inspiration na yung ginagawa namin na to is hindi lang para sa sarili namin, kundi na nare-reflect din namin yung kasiyahan namin. Kasiyahan namin sa maraming tao. And that's what keeps us going. Parang hindi nakakapagod na gawin ito. Kasi meron kaming napapasayang maraming tao. And next is message to all the fans. Thank you so much. Alam, sobrang yes, kasi nakikita naman yung mga banners na yan sa mga show namin sa Pilipinas. Pero nakakatuwa kasi meron din banner dito sa Los Angeles, California. So hindi lang pang Philippines, meron din sa America. So yung mga nakakatuwa kasi parang di ba, hello Tito, Kim Pao Republic, mabuhay po kayo. Ayan, Kim Pao The Other Side, mga Kim Pao Universe, Kim Pao, Kim Abroad, Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Global, binabasa lang namin ko last week sa Dasmariñas SM, pero akalain mo nagbabasa kami sa Los Angeles, California. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal talaga sa amin ni Pao all over the world. Bakit yun na naman yung sarili ko? We love you all so much. Sobrang wala ang salitang salamat. Kung may sobra pa ang salitang thank you, yun po yung gusto namin sabihin sa inyo. And with this movie na mapapanood niyo po sa March 28 dito sa US, regalo po namin sa inyo. I'm sure maghahampasan po kayo ng bongga po. So, we give it our all, we give it our best para sa inyong lahat.
What am I feeling right now? I think there's immense pressure when we're always trying to sell a movie or coming up, trying to get people to watch a movie. Not just because mahirap magbenta ng pelikula ngayon, pero dahil worldwide rin yung release namin, so medyo nakakaba coming from Star Cinemas, mga previous movies ng Star Cinema, so dagdag pressure sa amin. But I'm very excited to go around and meet everyone and to visit several screenings once we come out, also here in the US. And my message to the fans, I just want to say thank you. The support has been out of this world. It's gone up and above what regular fans or supporters do for what they call their mains. You see posters on people's gates in the Philippines, on people's cars. You see buses painted with our buses painted with our posters without Star Cinema. hindi sinabi ng Star Cinema. People are really going beyond what beyond what's needed, or beyond beyond the support that's not even being asked to promote the movie and help this movie make it a success. So I'm very thankful, and like what Kim said earlier, I've been doing projects left and right back in the Philippines, different roles, dark, light, or crazy. Pero ayun nga, parang hindi ko sa totoo lang po, parang nag-crave pa rin yung katawan ko na gumawa ng mga kakaiba, ng mga hindi ko pa nagagawa, hindi ko pa na-explore na roles. But I keep remembering seeing people's smiles. If you remember, I don't like receiving gifts from anyone at all. I like letters, and when I read the letters, it's very inspiring. It's something else to read those letters and know that you're making an impact in their life in a positive way. You make them smile, and siguro that's what also kept me going. And mag-co-work rin kami lagi ni Kim dahil kung nakakapagbigay ako ng ganitong saya sa mga tao na siguro kahit nagtatrabaho abroad or malungkot sa buhay, if I could make even one people feel happy or uplift their day because of what we're doing, then bakit ko ititigil gawin mo to para mag-inspire ng tao. So again, I'm very grateful and very thankful to everyone.
May nabasa kasi siyang letter nung nasa Dubai ba tayo. Sabi niya, basahin mo, naiyak ako kanina. So pinasa ko, naiyak din ako. Pero pinabasa niya talaga lahat. Ako din naman. Bakit din naman nababasa. Pero thank you so much. Maraming salamat. May kita niyo po more of his 13th team.
And honestly, like before you guys came out here, we were talking about you with everyone here, diba guys? You were talking about them, and people really love that you're good hearts, and that's the #1 thing that they love about you is you're not only a beautiful duo. I mean, I'm looking at you like wow, starstruck, right? But your hearts are just so full of kindness and full of love, not only for each other, but for every single person here who's loved and support you. All right, so.